This is an EF0 Noctilular tornado. Every 1 minute, a stronger Noctilular tornado hits me. But if I die, the video ends. Okay guys, you know what? Let's do it. Gotta go fast. And we are not in the village anymore. So this is gonna be hard. This is gonna be really hard. This is not really good. Every 1 minute. This is insane. Okay, we don't have time. Let's do it. I don't have time. So we're gonna go on the ground. We are so cooked. It's gonna get worse than this. Don't worry about my voice. It's okay, it's just a normal voice. So yeah. Okay, we have it good. Let's make a wood over here. Okay. This is gonna be the simplest base ever. But you know what? I need a crafting table. Let's make... What am I doing? Okay. Nice. Oh, I don't have a pickaxe. That sucks. You have like 20 seconds left. That's not good. Free. One, two, three. Oh, pickaxe. I'm gonna do like we can go up, but mostly we are gonna go down. So yeah. Let's do this. I have like less than 10 seconds left. So this is very cooked. This is very cooked. Yep, recording. 3 minutes on this video. And EF0. 3 minutes already. This is gonna be a long ride. Okay, I got some more wood. Let's not. Why do we even need to reinforce? Whoa. Why don't we even need to reinforce the base? We have an underground shelter. Okay, nice. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's gonna look like something like from the first video. Okay, so let's do some reinforce. I did this. It's not gonna stand much because yeah, when EF1 is going, it's gonna be nice. It's not yeah. Oh my god, it's crazy. It's It's already gone? What? No. It's not fair, dude. So much work in this house, bro. All gone to waste. What are we gonna do? I think we shouldn't do anymore. The little watchtower. I feel safe. Looks like it's exiting, so you might be safe. Wait. Okay, I can go down. No, I don't even have time to do this to my base. You don't even have, like, no. The heck? Oh my god. Hope I'm recording. Yep, I'm recording. I'm really scared. One for safety, one for this. Hope I'm gonna be safe. Oh, that rhymes. That up. recording. I'm so claustrophobic. That's not it, but I'm scared like I'm not recording. That'll be so not embarrassing, but so annoying. So let's prepare for the tornado. My virtual base. Can I try to glitch? It didn't work. So that was a surprise. Drill the tornado. Strong as well. Strong as well. Okay, it's moving. It's pulling me.